Hi, I'm Mary Louise Hoffman, and I'm doing my syllabication practice. I have my words pre-written down on the paper, and now I'm going to start with the first word, and I'm looking at see that I have two vowels together, so I know it's a vowel team. I look for my next vowel, and I see a diphthong at the end, so I'll mark that with the V for vowel. Draw my bridge. I have one consonant on the bridge. So I'm going to try my first choice to split it after the vowel, making this an open syllable and making this a diphthong syllable. And so it which says seesaw, and that is a word that I'm familiar with. For my next word, I'm going to start with my first two vowels, draw a bridge, label the consonants. I see that it's a VCCV, so I'm going to split it. I know that this one's closed. Looking at my next two vowels, I have the first vowel's marked, and then I see this vowel right here. Draw my bridge, and I see that I have three consonants, so I'm going to scoop the blend and mark it. And then I'm going to split between the two consonants in the VCCV pattern. And when I look at the end, I see I have another vowel, but I also recognize that it's a magic E because there's one consonant in the middle. So I know that's a magic E, and I know that because this ends in a consonant, it's also closed. And so the word is concentrate. On my next word here, I see I have my first two vowels, and then this next vowel, I recognize the OU pattern as a diphthong, so I'm going to mark that. I'm going to draw my bridge. I have one consonant, so I need to try first splitting it after the vowel. And I see that I recognized that makes that open. So it would be long O, pro, and then found. And that is a closed syllable at the end. For this one right here, I'm going to mark my vowels first. I see, draw my bridge. I see that I have one consonant. I'm going to try my first option, and that would make it may, and I'll label it as open. When I go to the next vowel, I see here, and now that I see this I, I'm recognizing that the ick suffix. So I know that I split it there, and I have my blend right here that I don't need to scoop, but I see that it's there. So now I'm looking at it, and I know that this is closed, and this is a suffix, and I'm trying majestic. Majestic is not a word that I recognize, so now I'm going to try it as a closed syllable, and that would make it madge. If I split it here, majestic is one that I know. Majestic. But you know that doesn't sound quite right, so maybe I should try the schwa. And I always have trouble writing my E upside backwards. That one throws me. So now I'm going to try splitting it back here and doing the majestic. And that I do recognize, majestic. Here, I see this letter Y, and I know that Y can be a vowel, especially when it's in the middle of a word like that. So I'm going to mark my Y as a vowel, mark the next vowel, draw a bridge. I have one consonant, so I'm going to try breaking it there. And then I go to my next vowel, and I see an E, but I also see an R control here. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that. And so draw the bridge, and I have two consonants, so I'm going to split it between. I know that this is an R controlled. I'm going to try cylinder with that being open, and cylinder does not make sense. So now I'm going to look at it again, and I see the CY, and I'm going to try moving it here to make it closed, and now I have sill. So sill in der. For right away, I see that I have a suffix. So I know I'm going to have that one to cut. Now I'm going to look at my first two vowels. And I see this vowel here, but I also see a consonant LE. So I'm going to circle my consonant LE, and I know I cut it there. I still have just the one vowel now, and then so I know it's closed. And so it's consonant LE, gentleness. And those are my words. Thanks.